I've been with VIPKid 462 days. The highlight of my day does not start until I'm with Dino and VIPKid after I get home and I sit down at my computer and that camera opens up and I see my Leo, my favorite VIPKid student. And to me, that's when the magic really happens. After being in the classroom, I have a connection to China. And in one of the feedback that Leo's mother left for me, she said, "Martha, you're more than Leo's teacher, you're part of our family." And in my heart, I felt the same way about them. And I said, we have a heart connection here. I had no idea that I would have so much fun, at this stage of my teaching career. And it's just because of VIPKid. It's sort of renewed my passion for teaching. Definitely, it's renewed my confidence in the next generation. So VIPKid, thank you.